Happy New Year, everyone! I think we were all ready to turn the page on 2020 and move into 2021. I know that I was, even though we had a ton of highs in 2020 as well, but wow, what a wild year. So I thought today I would go over some of my favorite Amazon gadgets for the new year. So this is everything from some health things, if you've got some health goals, to organization things, which I have been in major nesting mode. So couple the fact that we are almost to have our baby and also the fact that it's New Year, I just feel like I've been cleaning everything out and organizing everything. So I've got some stuff for that, as well as some things for like your home office or your office at work to kind of help you meet your goals and stay on track and stay organized there. So super excited to share everything with you. Everything is linked in the video description just like normal, and we'll jump right in. Okay, starting off with one of my personal favorites. This is some like home office kind of things or office at work. I don't know why I keep saying home office. That's what I'm used to. But this is a like acrylic desk stand, and it has a to-do list that's dry erase. So it's super easy. You can just actually like take it off with your finger even, or use a wipey or whatever, but it's super nice to be able to do this every day and not have to waste like a new piece of paper or a note in your phone even. It's right there, right in front of you every day. And then this side, I have a little quote right here that's been my mantra for the new year because I've been getting a little overwhelmed with all things I need to do for baby and business and everything in the next couple months. But it says focus on the next step, not the whole staircase. So maybe some of you needed that as well. But also this works as a little phone stand too. So if you've got, just a spot that you want to keep things, or you can see email notifications and stuff like that right on your desk. And then it's got a little spot for the date too. This is another really cool gadget that I use a lot for working from home, but this is a wireless keyboard. So Cody actually uses one of these. He has a big monitor that he uses when he does like video editing and things. So he will use a wireless keyboard to hook up to his monitor, but this will also hook to your phone or a tablet, and it has this little stand here too. So I do this sometimes when I'm checking email or something and I don't want to get my laptop out. You can just stick your phone up there, attach it all wireless to your phone, and then you can type emails or do anything you would need, and you can just do that like even from your couch. This is kind of a random one, but I thought this was so cute and fun. So I do like to do, especially when I was working in an office and I would like at the end of the day have one thing that I knew I needed to remember for the next day, for just those little daily reminders. This is just a Post-it holder. Basically, it actually came with this set of notes. These are not sticky, but this will also hold a normal Post-it pad too with the sticky tops if you prefer that. But you can just write your little notes to yourself and then clip it into his mouth. I just think it's so cute and kind of fun and unique. Moving into some health-related gadgets or things that I think are helpful. So I always have kind of a reset goal as far as health and fitness goes. I don't do like super intense goals, like I have to work out this many times a day or not a day, a week, or anything like that. But I do like to kind of reset health just a little bit. And even right now, I'm kind of trying to do that pre-baby and get ready for post-baby. But this was one of my favorite Christmas gifts from Cody. I've wanted a set of these for a really long time, but these are ankle weights or wrist weights that you can put on. So I've done these even for like we walk Tucker a lot, and if I want like a little extra on our walk, then you can hook these on at your ankles or on your arms. I use them a ton for my bar workouts, which is what I've still been doing even all through prenatal. But they just give you a little bit of extra. I believe these are 1 pound. But they go on really nice and easy. And if you've ever tried other wrist weights, they're super uncomfortable, and they're always that like material that gets really sweaty and gross, and then they kind of stink and you have to wash them, and it's a whole bit. So these are just really nice. They hook on really easily. They're easily customizable, and these come in a couple other colors too. I also included this one in my teacher gifts Amazon haul if you saw that a while back, but if you've got drinking more water as one of your resolutions or goals or things you want to reset for the new year, I have loved this thing. I actually kept this one for myself. You can see there's like water residue in it because I've actually been using this one pretty much nonstop, but it's got like it will start you with daily how much you're supposed to intake by hour, or I think Yes, it is by hour. So you want to start 8 a.m., go to the bottom, refill, and then start again 2 p.m. So it's just kind of nice to keep track. Then it also has the normal ounces and milliliters on the back if you prefer that. And it is a straw, which I don't know about you, but my lipstick is all over this. But I always drink more out of a straw. I don't know why. And it has this nice little like carrying hook that if you want to take it to the gym or whatever too. I was and am very excited about this one. So this is a like bento box lunchbox set from Amazon. First of all, I think it just looks super nice. If you have like a shared refrigerator or something, I bet you no one else will have this one. So it'll be really easy to pick out, and it doesn't take up a ton of space like the big bags and lunchboxes often do. But this comes with a little set of silverware. These are reusable, so you just stick them in the dishwasher. So it's nice and environmentally friendly as well. And then on the inside of both of them, they have these little like dividers in them. You can also remove these if you don't want to do it, or move it to the top if you just have like some sauce or something and then your chicken or whatever you want to bring. And then they also on the bottom one do have this teeny tiny little sauce packet or container, I guess, for dipping sauce or something like that too. But it's pretty nice. I mean, you could even do 2 meals in this one, or like a meal and a snack, and then you're all set and ready to go. All right, I also have a few like kitchen specific gadgets to kind of help you cook something healthy too. But I always get really into smoothies in the new year as well, especially with spring and summer coming up. I love a good smoothie first thing in the morning, like a green smoothie. So this is an Immersion blender. Now I didn't bring it in, but it does come with a bigger actual blender piece as well that you just hook this into the top and you can use as a regular blender. So if you have something a little bit more, or you're making more than one smoothie, you could do that just like normal as well. But this one I have used a ton because you just hook this little piece in, and then it's got the blades on the bottom here, and then it comes with this cup. So I will just put all my smoothie ingredients in here and then blend it really quickly, and then I just drink it out of this, especially if I'm staying home. If I was on the go or something, you could always pour that into another cup, but super easy and nice, and you just have less dishes to clean up than using like your big, huge blender. And then it also has a whisk attachment too. This is a pair of salad scissors, and I don't know how I lived my life so long without these. I bought these, I think, in the summer at some point, and I have used them so much. These are perfect for not only cutting like lettuce if you buy like romaine or iceberg lettuce or something like that, but these also work for cutting basically any vegetable. So you can do broccoli. They're super strong and tough, and they have this curved edge, so you can just stick whatever it is in there. You can do broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, anything that you want basically to put in a tossed salad. This will cut it. I've even done it with tomatoes, but you just have to be a little bit gentle or it will be super juicy all over everything. But I love having these, and if you want to do some meal prepped salads, I think these are fantastic to have on hand. I'm going to share a few organization things, gadgets that you might need to help you organize. Now, again, I have been going crazy in this category all month, and really basically since I found out I was pregnant, trying to get things ready. So I have a lot more info over on my Instagram page. If you don't follow me there, it is at Mirror and Thread. I'll post a highlight of all the organization things I've done for our baby girl's nursery. I've done drawer organizers. I'm going through the kitchen right now, doing pantry, all kinds of things. So I will put that all there, but I am going to run through a couple options for you if you have a few tasks that you want to complete. So this is a set of drawer organizers, and this came with 16 pieces. I've actually already used a couple of them I made like a little feeding drawer for London stuff with her silverware and like bibs and stuff like that. But 16 pieces, you'll be able to do multiple drawers out of this. So I'm going to use these in our kitchen. We actually have 2 junk drawers that need to be gone through and just cleaned out for like, there's pins and paper clips and scissors and that kind of stuff in. These would be great for desk drawers or for makeup drawer, bathroom, like stuff for your bathroom toiletries and stuff like that. If if you've got drawers that need to be organized in there. So it comes with so many little different options. These are great, the smaller ones for like paper clips or bobby pins, hair ties, things like that. You could do them for silverware, so many different options depending on what you need to organize, but I thought this was a really good price for 16 pieces. I completely did an overhaul on our pantry yesterday, and it took me forever because I'm moving very slowly at 34 weeks pregnant, but it was so worth it. It looks so much better, and I put some before and afters on my Instagram page for that too. But this is what I used for all of our like flour, sugar, that kind of thing. These airtight storage containers. So one package comes with 7 different pieces. I only brought a few out here just to kind of show you what they looked like, but they come with 7 different sizes. And it took me, just an FYI, it took me 3 packages of them to do my entire pantry. So that was every single like thing that I had that I needed stored. So these are nice because they are airtight, so they are not going to leave anything stale. So you stick it in there and then press this down and all the air is taken out of that. These are great for, like I said, flour. I have cornstarch, baking soda, pasta, nuts, snacks, everything in these, and they do come with their own labels. I actually purchased these labels separately. So the ones that they come with are like a black, and then it comes with like a chalk pen that you can write your own. I don't have great penmanship, great writing, and I also wanted them to all be uniform. Like if I ever needed something to organize outside of these airtight containers, I wanted to have the same labels. So I ordered these from Amazon as well. They were Talented Kitchen, and I'll link them too. But there was like the hugest, I think there are 157, I believe is what it said, different labels in there. I'm telling you, everything you could ever think up in there. And I have a lot of food allergies, I have celiac, and I don't eat dairy or eggs. And they had even things like coconut flour and tapioca flour and things that I would not have expected to find a label for were all in that one pack. So really good buy on those two. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you have already seen these probably multiple times. They're always in the videos behind me as well, but I could not go through organization tips without mentioning these things. So I love these acrylic organizers for jewelry. I have them in my office space. If you've got shelving or something in your closet, these would also be really pretty on like a vanity or a desk or something like that too. So I have this little bracelet one, which mostly has all my Victoria Immersion bracelets on it. And I just think they look really pretty. It displays everything that you have really well. And then also this clear organizer for necklaces on the side. And then I have all my earrings and bracelets. Now these, I do have some other jewelry that I keep in my bedroom that I just don't wear as much, but this is all my everyday things that I wear all the time. So even if you've got more than you feel like will fit in these, or you need a couple of them, I still think it's worth it to really display everything that you have so that you don't keep purchasing the same things or have things that just are wadded up in your closet tangled that you never even get to wear. So that's all I have for you on Amazon gadgets to kind of help restart and refresh your new year. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss all of our other content, and we'll see you next time.